Hello, myself Nikhil Singh. Our topic is marketing of mixed bhel. Namkeen is a Hindi word used to describe a savory flavor. The word namkeen is derived from word namak. Uh, Namak means salt. The namak is also used as generic term to describe savory snacks food. Both black and regular white salt are used in Indian cooking, which give in the salty flavor many people like. Other namak snacks common in India cuisine include mixed bhel, khara, farsan, chiuda, save chips, and bhujia. Product description. Product type. Indian consumers seem to have recovered their taste from traditional snacks such as mixed bhel, sev, bhujia, namkeen mixture, which are contributing in the impressive growth rate of the firm. Lots of mix such as Navratan mix, Khatta Mitha, Chatpata mix, Magic mix, Royal treat. Product size. The namkeen products are packed in different types of packaging products with a different size. The pouch packages size are 50 gram, 100 gram, 250 gram, 500 gram, 1 kg. SWOT analysis. The SWOT means stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. The SWOT analysis is the technique for assessing the four aspects of your business. The SWOT analysis is a simple tool that can help you to analyze what company does right now and that devise a successful strategy for the future. SWOT can also reveal area the business that are holding your back or that your competitors could exploit if you don't protect yourself. The strength of the business, a business coach, product quality, taste, freshness of the product, customization of product done. Weakness are retail store ambience, brand image, organizational structure, unskilled, untrained manpower. Opportunities: the packaged food segment in domestic and overseas market, distribution across pan India and overseas. Research and development, new variant of existing products, customization of product according to the different segment. Threats: local company competing at less price, no first mover advantage in packaged food, existence of competitors in emerging market, delivery quality product with good customer base, substitute product to compare with. Competitor analysis framework. Market mix analysis can be used as an alternative to analyze the competitor product, price, place, and promotion. Promotion will be analyzed by using the netography based on the competitor market mix. Some conclusion can be drawn as follow. The competitor have a very well known brand. Haldiram might be the strongest competitor because they already have produced quite well known and spread over all over in the India. There are four P's of the marketing. The four P's of marketing include product, price, place, and promotion. These are the key elements that must be united and effectively fast and promoted the brand unique value and help it to stand out the competition. Product. The product referred the item of the intended satisfy use. Price. First comes that the product of immediate after comes the determinant of the value among target audience. Price strategy is all the art of the science that involve price. Uh, the price should not be too high or too low. Understanding how sick the either must be damage the brand. Place. The internet has introduced new challenges. When it comes to research your customer, the place refer to providing customer access the product, and it is also called in the play convenience of the customer. The marketing through a digital mean or otherwise is other putting right product is the right place at right time and in front of the right customer. Promotion. Now, how to make an audience aware about the product. Within the framework of the four P's, the promotion refer primarily to the marketing communication. This communication use channels such as public relation, advertising, direct marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, or sales.